What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to unbox a YEEZY that sells for under 700 pesos or $15. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a genuine, legit, brand new YEEZY Zebra, as well as a genuine, legit Nike Epic React Flyknit the moment we hit 30,000 subscribers. Subscribe now, follow me on IG. These three sneakers are part of my haul from my recent trip to the SM Mall here in the Philippines. SM is one of the biggest malls here, and they carry a ton of stuff, ton of brands ranging from different sneakers and all of those crazy stuff. Now, I went there to be able to check out what are the sneakers they have at the department store, and I was pretty much blown away with what I saw. So let's just jump right into it. The first two sneakers are from a brand called Sprint. I'm not sure if it's a local brand or if it's a brand from Japan or the Philippines or China. I am absolutely clueless, but they have a lot of sneakers in the SM department store. Let's start with the first pair. This is called the Ezekiel White. And what it looks like is it's practically a knockoff of the Balenciaga speed trainers. So, so this is the all-white version. So as you guys can see here, it's actually pretty dirty. So it's pretty much messed up, and there's even like holes in it. So it's not like the best quality I've seen even for a style. It's just crazy. Now this one was even at 50% off. So the original price was 700 pesos, but this was being sold for a whopping 350 pesos or around $7. Yep, speed trainers for $7. I mean, this just begs to be written on with pencil pen or whatever. You just write whatever it is that you want there at the upper. Now, I don't want to even get into the details of how it feels on feet because obviously this doesn't fit me. It is a small size. They didn't have like a size 12 or size 13. They just had up to size 10. Now this one, this is your typical knit upper. It's not really the best quality, but it is surprisingly flexible, most likely breathable. If you go to the foam midsole, there's practically no outsole itself. It's just one construction for the entire thing. But probably the worst thing about it is that it will get dirty very, very easily. So as you guys see, this one is a brand new pair. And this one is really super dirty with black marks and gray marks all over it already. So there you have it. This one, 350 pesos or $7. This is the Sprint Ezekiel White. Next sneaker is called the Akira. So it comes in their typical Sprint box. So let's just pop it open and see what's inside. It's really crazy. So anyway, this is the sneaker. This is the Akira from Sprint. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much a knockoff of the Adidas YEEZY Pirate Black. So it even has that strip that you see here from most of the 350 V2 boosts. And it has that familiar knit upper that you guys have here, and you have even the pull tab that they copied from the original YEEZY 350 Boost V2. They also have the same build of the midsole with the lines that go down all around it with a slight, but probably the biggest difference though, they weren't able to copy it perfectly because the midsole isn't as wide as it should be. So it's still a bit narrow. Now the original YEEZY, of course, as you guys know, has a wider base than this one. So anyway, that's what you get. And if you go down, oh, they even have their own version of the boost technology. It's definitely not the same kind of boost that you see in the sneakers of the YEEZY line. The materials really isn't that good. This one, of course, sold for 799 pesos or a little over $15, around $17. Am I bad? I thought they were 15. So yeah. Ah, man, this is, oh, wait, it says Akira over there at the back of the heel. So again, guys, this is the Akira from Sprint in black, and it comes in different colors. There is even a red one and a gray one. Now the next sneaker is from a very familiar international brand. It's a brand that most of you guys know. This is from Skechers. Now I'll do a more in-depth review on this one because this is a really fascinating sneaker. It definitely takes a lot, as in a lot of inspiration from the Nike Vapor Max, but surprisingly it's super comfortable, and I think that's what Skechers does well. I mean, they take something, they inspired by something, they make their own version that's a little more comfortable than your typical sneaker. Now, I'll just show you the shoe. I'll do a more comprehensive review and in-depth take on it on a separate vlog, most likely this weekend. So here you have it, guys. This is the Skechers Skech-Air. What? You have the air bubbles here at the bottom, which has a rubber outsole that covers the entire base. You have some sort of knit upper. I'm not sure if it's, well, it does say in the box it is 100% knitted. So you have a knit upper, and then you have that crazy looking air bubbles for the midsole. I mean, man, why Skechers? Why? I'm really at a loss for words. Skech-Air. Whew. Yeah. I'll just I don't know what to say. So that's it. I just want to make this quick vlog, even though it's late at night already. I really need my sleep, but I just want to quickly make this video, put it up so you guys can see what I saw when I was over at SM shopping for sneakers. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. God bless. I hope you all have a great weekend. Peace.